day is my Christmas day.
Right now kita di Hong Kong, kita akan flight jam 7 dan itu belum pada muncul tuh di board, itu semua pada belum muncul sih, itu masih sampai jam 6, jadi masih nungguin dulu. Kita mau jalan-jalan muter-muter dulu, habis itu baru masuk ke lounge. What are you doing? What are you doing? Finally, kita dipanggil boarding San Francisco.
國泰航空公司 CX892號班機。
Right, hello. Hi, the other side to your right, please. Thank you.
Unless we are going to eat Korean.
Thank you. Gimana? Tadi dari airport dijemput, habis itu kita check-in sebentar di hotel, kita lepas dulu, habis itu dinner. Karena ini baru jam berapa? Jam 7-an nih. Masih terang begini. Good morning, kita mau breakfast dulu sebentar. Habis itu kita lagi mau jalan ke kantor Facebook. Enak, hawanya berapa derajat ini? Paling 17-an gitu tadi ya. So we currently in a Facebook office right now. Jauh juga nih jalannya nih. Dapat parkirnya di tempat tadi, jauh juga sih. Iya. Come here. So after Facebook, kita lagi di mana nih? Standford University. biar gak panas. I'm okay kok. I'm okay. Barusan lihat ke Tesla, Apple Store, then we are going to Microsoft Store. Right now, Apple campus. Next destination.
This is an AR experience. It'll give you a 3D model of 175 acres of apple farm. Am I on camera? Okay.
You'll be famous.
Alright. It's on the left-hand side. You can change the time of the day. So early in the day, like that, and later in the night, I just open up the roof for you, but you can open and close the roof. You can also pinch outwards to zoom in. Okay. 3 stories on the right-hand side. The top story is about how energy is used. The middle story is to get back into the park where you currently are at. And then the last story is how the building is ventilated. So make sure to move around the entire model to get a chance to see everything, okay?
Okay.
And if you have any questions, that. So it's
Cafe?
yeah, so on campus you can get food, but here they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's 12,000 people sit inside this ring. This is used as a gathering place. All the trees that you see inside are real. And then if you change the time of the day, you can see the doors open and close. So the glass is 4 stories high, same exact glass that we have here from Germany. Yeah. All the trees you see inside are trees planted by Apple, so over 9,000 trees Apple planted. There's also 32 different fruit variety trees, so like apples, apricots, cherries. Okay?
Wow, that's nice.
Because Steve's vision was that he wanted.
Keren sih. Augmented reality semua dari Apple campus. Apple Park 12.000. 12.000 employee ya. Come on, Sai.
Udah belanjanya.
Ayo. What?
Pelet ya?
Iya, takut lewat.
Kayak magnet aja.
Lewat ada motor skuter.
Mainannya kayak begini.
Gua berdiri. Interesting.
A second revolutionary technology.
So this is our last stop for today. Korean food. Thank you.